Okay? Now, itong sa San Pablo, ang sinasabi ng korte dito, nag-file ng motion to defer yung mga akusado at parang determination of probable cause. Meron bang sapat na ebidensya para itong mga tao na to ay usigin o sampahan ng kaso? Kaya ang naging order o direktiba ng court is isubite ng department, no, hindi lamang yung ebidensya na nagpapatunay na sila ay dapat sampahan ng kaso, hinihingi rin ng husgado rito pati yung mga kontrasalaysay na isinumite dito sa amin nung time na nagko-conduct pa ng preliminary investigation. So, over our objection, no, nag-object yung ating prosecutor dito, pero nag-issue na ng omnibus order ang husgado sa San Pablo. At tayo magko-comply, no? Magko-comply tayo para tingnan natin kung once we complied, that will be sufficient basis already for the court to come up with a determination whether it should issue a warrant or not.
Sir, kapag hindi po mag-issue ng warrant, ano na po yung mangyayari po sa kaso po na yun? Titigil po ba yung trial? Or?
Again, that's speculative. I do not and I cannot speculate on what the action of the court will be. But certainly, whatever the court's action whatever action the court will take, no, insofar as this motion, we will be taking steps also. What these steps are, we cannot disclose right now dahil ayokong pangunahan kung ano magiging determinasyon ng husgado.
Atong ang case, kidnapping with homicide. Yes, and kidnapping is illegal detention. Doon lang may pending motion for the deferment of the proceedings. Kasi tandaan natin, di ba, 3 courts yan. Doon sa dalawa, Lipa City, Batangas, sa Santa Cruz, may warrant na. In fact, trial has commenced. Nagsimula na yung trial, nagka-pre-trial na, arraignment, at least for those who were arrested, who, of course, except Charlie Ato Ang, who we know is still at large and a fugitive from justice. So doon sa San Pablo, Laguna na lang, wala pang warrant na issued because of the said motion to defer proceedings.